thick, base, body, heel, thick.
We'll get these corners lined up. We're going to use 2 cut-off wheels and shims. I'll shim up the material so we can have a good 90.
Thick, base, body, pumps electric, thick, base, body, heel, thick.
2 like this. It's just enough to get a good corner put up.
Like it.
Just put 2 tacks on it so you can see the corners that are good. Very good.
Boss it like it. Bang that bass in your body. Show me what you got. In your brain. Boss it like it. Bang that bass.
Making each section of the light bar bumper panel individually in 5 pieces so you can roll them all together on site. That's typically how you would purchase them if you were to purchase them.
Boss it like it.
One side bumper panel. Right there. Just tack all the minutes now, we'll go back and weld them out later. Try to get all the components ready. New boots.
Boss it like it, bang that bass in your body. Show me what you got. Feel this in your brain. Boss it like
So yeah, we're running 035 wire with a Bernard gun out of Miller Maxtron 450 with the S22A feeder, 7525 70 series wire, M6. So yeah, you know, we're running 19.5 volts, right around 250 on the wire feed. Just welding up these light panels.
Next, we're going to get these components on site, going to weld it to the truck. See you guys out there on site.